Here we go, MMTs. We have Ross Stores, big retailer. And not only that, Target had missed their earnings as well this morning when they reported. The retail sector has not been a very good performer of late. Just very few have done well. One of the things that we'll talk about, we were at 81.55. We're gapping down to the bid of 75.2 by 77.1 on Ross Stores. And having those put options at the $80 strike price was heavily bought going into the earnings. Now, when we get the report, we'll update the MMTs here momentarily. What we would like to say is the following. Once again, this is a live earnings report. MMTs are learning that getting short in the retail sector is down 5.67. Now, they're popping this thing all over the place. Right now, I have a ask of 75.75, and finally they're pulling the bids in here closely. So one thing that we'll do is take our gains very, very, very quickly. Here's what I would like to share with everyone, just for the record, is that you have a great opportunity. And what will that great opportunity mean? That means that you can come here. Green Mountain Coffee Roasters was last night. It was a great big earnings. But you just go to the trading, click on free trial. Once you click on the free trial, thereafter, get started. That's all you have to do. You can read the content very carefully. I would. The other thing is you want to open an account and get trading capital. Yes, for you, for your trading account. Here, click on open an account. Click here, get started today. So what we have to say, everyone, is click getting started, but most importantly is for those people who are underfunded. Yes, you heard what I said. You will be able to get a $5,000 account and get 50,000 intraday buying power. Not only that, 15 to 1 with the $10,000 deposit, you get 150,000 intraday. Now, for you people that suffer with the pattern day trading rule, as unfortunate as it is, you're going to be able to bypass that because we will keep your account funded above the $25,000 rule. And you guys and gals know exactly what I'm talking about. Take advantage, put the past behind you, get involved in the next bull run. You heard what I said. Open an account, read the terms and conditions, what your trading account will be, and get started today. Get in the free day every day for 5 days, free 5-day trial. And let's start now on live. Here we go again, everyone. Now that we have the actual report, Ross Stores reports EPS in line. They miss on the revs. They lower Q4 EPS below consensus. Q3 comps plus 2% sees Q4 comps plus 1 to 2%. This is not a good report for Ross. It was overbought going into the report. And excuse me if the audio is cutting in and out there, it might have some, but the company issues lower guidance. So they're giving downside guidance. Listen, Walmart, today we had another one that we're going to talk about. That missed earnings as well. The retail sector has had a strong downside to it. When we start seeing companies of this nature, we will be dip buyers on Ross when Ross comes down to a certain level. Right now, what we're seeing is the after hours, and we're down $7. I can tell you it's very seldom, but once again, it's knowing how to trade after hours. And I can tell you all, I already showed you, if you want to get involved, we will teach you how to go through after hours. We will have our market maker division giving you live entries and exits with the markets during live and the stop management. So you get full management behind you. You will get the trading capital so that you can make money. You'll have all the features, advantages, and benefits to overcome your current challenges. We all have challenges. And what we do as a group is we work very proactively together. So, once again, as far as the report goes, they are saying that with the lower guidance is going to be that EPS is 97 to $1.01. Their prior guidance was 99 pennies to $1.03 versus $1.08. Capital IQ consensuses, they have the consensus of $1.08. So when you start seeing 99 cents, now one thing what Ross is doing here, Ross Stores, is we're going to find out as we move through the Christmas season is what their margins look like and based on their discounts. But you can see 73.8. The low was 79.9 and the high was 81.5. The current bid 73.8, 74.25 segment. One thing that we will say as we close about the raw stores trade is take the time to go to the services, go down to HFT. High frequency trading courses and mathematical algorithms, we specialize in that. On the home page, take the time to go to the SMF Stock Exchange, the SMF Options Exchange, the discounted option classes, and all of the analysis we do before the fact, not after the fact. Yesterday, when stocks were tanking, we had all of these plays in here from yesterday about how they would go down. Tesla, LinkedIn, Baidu. Baidu went even further down. But we all have it ahead. The LinkedIn updates, how to trade it short, and also how to go long off of the bottoms. But when they get overbought, as we are in this bull run, they get overbought, they have to come down. So what I'm going to say is the bull run has been a bull run up 175%. If you don't have the trading capital, you can come and get it from us. Like I said, get started today, open an account. I was